Hello guys, so this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, and of course to get updates from our service. Also, if you like this particular episode, please leave your likes and comments. We really appreciate this, and this makes us to create even more video content for you. We know that you as app developers, as app marketers, follow all the new technology trends which appear all the time. But today we would like to discuss one of the latest trends which is actually everywhere now on the internet and on social media. So it is a tool of artificial intelligence which is called ChatGPT. We know that artificial intelligence has already transformed the way the business operates, and actually mobile marketing and app store optimization aren't the exceptions. But if you go to any technology blog or even to LinkedIn, now you will see that all the articles are about a revolutionary chat which is called ChatGPT. So it is a chatbot capable of actively participating in discussions and generating relevant responses to queries like a human. Though supervised learning, the chatbot can analyze large amounts of data and actually offer predictions. So here I enter to their main page, and actually for now it is free. Everyone can make an account. So let's start discovering how this can help you in App Store optimization and which advantages it can bring. One more important thing I would like to mention that actually this tool uses the information which released until 2021. So actually it is not connected with the current events and with the current information. But let's start. First of all, when you do the App Store optimization, you need to analyze the app market and the niche you are going to enter, and of course to conduct some competitor research. And basically this chat can help with this. For example, I have created a new chat to receive the answers to my questions, and the first question I would like to put is who are the main players in the dating category on app market? So let's start. We put the question and actually waiting for the answer. And as you see, the chatbot are giving the answer to our question and names all the brands which are connected with dating and which are the biggest in this niche. Let's imagine that you have a game and you would like to find out the main features and peculiarities of this category. And let's try actually to ask about this. We put the question, what are the main features and peculiarities for game applications? And here it is. As you may see, the chatbot analyzes the question we asked and gives us an answer divided to the points, which is really convenient. But one more thing we suppose which is not so convenient is that the chatbot doesn't give the link to the resource where it get the particular part of information, and we suppose it would be really convenient. So as you may see, the chatbot gives an answer with different points, like the main features are engaging gameplay, interactive graphics, multiplayer support, in-app purchases, etc. One more thing this tool can help with is actually tips for visual optimization. Of course, it is not possible to create any kind of icon or screenshots with the help of this chatbot, but anyway, it is possible to get some tips. For example, what is the best icon for crypto app? And we see that actually tool gives an answer that it will depend on specific brand and target audience, etc. But anyway, it gives some points to remember, and this also can help you with the designer to give some task to designer for icon creation. And let's go to text metadata. As you know, app positions for keywords, both in Google Play and App Store, depend on the text metadata and on the search requests which you have added to your app title, app description, long description, short description. And the first step when you proceed with App Store optimization, of course, is keyword cloud gathering, where you should gather all the search requests connected with your application. I would say that it is a kind of a great part of work, and it is not so easy to get all the keywords, and usually you may use some App Store optimization services suggestions from stores like at Keyapp. You can check any keywords for the suggestions, like put translator and get the suggested keywords which organic user see on the Google Play when they type translator in the search bar. But anyway, this tool can help you at least to get several keywords which can give some hints on which way to follow in your keyword research. Let's imagine that you have puzzle game and you would like to gather the keywords. And let's ask the bot about this. Give the keywords for puzzle game. And here are some keywords that can be associated with the puzzle games. As you may see. Let's try also keywords for dating app. The same, here are some keywords which can be associated with dating apps. Of course, I cannot say that this tool will replace all the efforts you do to gather the keywords for application, because in most cases, the keywords research for the application from any popular category may consist of 200, 250 keywords. But at least if you just in this sphere, and maybe it is your first app you work with in App Store optimization, this can give you some hints just to start with. And now, actually, let's try to get keywords in some foreign language, for example, Japanese, like I could give me some keywords for dating app in Japanese, and here is what we are getting. Let's wait until the chatbot analyzes this. And as you may see, it started to give some keywords in Japanese, but of course, they also should be checked with a translator or a kind of dictionary if you do not know Japanese at least. One more task which can be solved with the help of this tool is actually the creation of press releases or just some posts for social media. Let's imagine that you have a kind of crypto app and you would like to create a press release about this. So put this to the chatbot. And as you may see, Chatbot starts to create the press release and the text you can put on mass media, etc. But do not forget that this tool won't solve all the problems, as actually it uses some common phrases, some common words. So anyway, it should be checked by a human. One more task to solve is actually to generate some scripts that can be used to answer questions and provide customer support for your application. Of course, customer service is major driver for any business and for application as well. So actually, this artificial intelligence can create dozens of dialects and dozens of answers to any questions, which can in the future be used by your customer care team, for example. And if you are talking about App Store optimization, it actually can help you with a long description creation. Let's imagine that you have crypto application and you would like to create the description for it. So we just ask the chatbot to create the description for crypto application. And as you may see, it starts to write that it is ultimate cryptocurrency app that helps you manage your assets, that we support a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Of course, I would like to mention that it is not possible to replace an ASO manager who just conduct keyword research, create the text and add all the keywords they found to the description. But anyway, it may can make your work with some text easier and give some hints which can be used in the future for your application. At this stage, I would like to test one more thing. Is like I have written create the description for dating app, and I would like to add the keywords to use in this description and see if this will work. Let's wait and see if this will work actually. Yeah, we say that it starts to add the keywords I have mentioned. It's matching online to the text. Actually, with our advanced matching algorithm, you can be confident that you will find matches. So basically, you can also proceed in such a way. You can ask to write a description and add there the particular keywords you would like to see. But as you see, the descriptions created are quite short. That's why I would like to ask to create a longer description and see if this will work. I have asked to create the description of 3,000 symbols, and actually I'm not sure that this will work, but anyway, let's see. Actually, Chatbot has created a kind of longer description than previously, but I have checked and there are not 3,000 symbols, but anyway, there are around 2,000. What's more you can do with this tool? Actually, let's imagine that you would like to create the reviews for your application and order them, for example, from a Keyapp to be published on their app. So let's ask about this chatbot. I have asked to create app reviews for crypto app and let's see what happens. Actually, yes, you see that the reviews are being created. They are with a kind of some general phrases, commonly used words, but anyway, this can make your work easier in 100 times, I suppose, because you do not need to look for any reviews under the competitor apps, under other apps, or just to create reviews by your own. You can just ask the bot to do this and basically it will create, like you see that the app name is mentioned as well, pointing that there should be app title. But anyway, I suppose it's pretty fine. So as you may see, with the help of this tool, you can solve a variety of different tasks, like to create the keyword research, to create the app description, to get some trends for visual optimization for the particular app category. Also, it can help with app market analysis or with particular niche analysis, where you can just put what are the current trends in crypto apps visual optimization, and in such a way you will get the answer, which is actually can help you in building of app store optimization strategy, or with some tasks for designers, etc. Of course, it is not possible to say that this chatbot can completely work without any App Store optimization manager or without any marketing specialist, because it is needed to check all this text. It is needed just to get which part suits, which not. But anyway, with any text creation or with any questions you have, it can help and actually make your life easier. So we really hope that this information help you and actually may bring some new ideas for your app store optimization, for your promotion strategy, or for example for work with app reputation management. Anyway, if you have any questions about keyword promotion, about app reputation management, contact our support team and we will be extremely happy to assist with all the questions you have, and of course to share all the trends we know. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.